So I've been wanting to make some finger joints for a project I'm working on. And I wanted to buy a finger joint jig, but they're very expensive, so I thought I'd just make one. So I'm just going to copy Rockler's basic jig because I like the way it worked for router tables. So first thing is to make the stays, which are going to be cut out of this 3/4 strip of metal, which is a cut-off end of an old clamp. And we got to machine these to make them expand in there and clamp down the way the tool's designed to work. So here's how it looks right now. Doing pretty good. I found this old miter gauge off an old table saw. It's got a weird 5/8 size, so I cut it to that. So we have this one, and then I got to attach it to this one. Before we're going to do that, we're going to make the sacrificial fence, which is going to be screwed onto the miter gauge, which is also something I got to work out. And then I got to make an attachment for it for the other groove over here. So let's cut that real fast. Jeez, let's chip out. Gotta buy one of those spiral blades. Anyway, so that's the first part. So now we're gonna move this over, and that's gonna ride on the guide track. So this is how we're looking. We got the sacrificial fence screwed on. I drilled some holes for that. That's looking good. Got the slot cut in there for the guide. Now I just finished this. I drilled and tapped 2 screws into this little piece with a piece of oak on it, which is going to get screwed on right there. So I really wanted to try it out, so I just made a piece of oak. It worked pretty good. So now we're going to see if it cuts the other way just as good. god, look at that. I think it's upside down. Whoa. First try. Total success. Didn't do it deep enough though. That's okay. Oh, look at that. Awesome. I couldn't be more happy with that. The spacing's a little off. I'm not sure. It's because I didn't use a board that would end up evenly or something. I don't know. I don't know why the spacing's off, but the fit is perfect. That's great. I raised the blade up so it's 3/4 and start making boxes. I don't even think I'm going to buy the metal thing for it. Oak works pretty good. So I'm pretty pleased with that. I didn't really spend any money on it, and saved me the 80 bucks from buying the rockler one. Cool. So here's the second joint I made. See the edges lined up this time. Looks super good. Just friction holding it together. Perfect fit. That was the second one I made with this. The first one actually worked really well, so I'm stoked. I guess I don't need that piece of metal anymore. I can just use a piece of oak. Works just as good. So I added some more clamps so it didn't move around as much and adjusted it again. And now this is what we got. It's on here, right? Perfect. The wood's a little warped, so it's not lining up just right, but sanding in some glue, I'd call that good. So there you go. That's my take on Rockler's box joint jig. I think mine works pretty great.